Hi everyone and welcome back. It's arrived, my new protection screen protector, lens protector for my Action 5 Pro. I ordered it through Amazon here in Australia and the price for it was $12.99. So the kit contains a lens protector for the front screen of the Action 5 Pro, plus a screen protector for the rear screen and a nylon, neoprene perhaps, cover to go over the lens and protect the lens. So there will be a smaller screen protector to fit here over that screen there, and then a larger one to fit on the back, and plus a lens protector to go cover the complete lens. Okay, so let's crack it open and we'll have a look inside, see how everything looks. It's from a company called U-Bolter, Bolter perhaps, never heard of them. Let's have a look. Can't really see much, there's a label across the back end, we can't really read anything here, but it's in a hard plastic cover. So let's have a look. Okay, so we have a bunch of wipes, one for excess dirt. Oh, one's a wet one. The pinky colour one is a wet one. The greeny colour one, the pink one is a drier one, and the green is a wet one. These are the actual covers themselves. So this is the front cover. Oh yeah. The front cover will just, oh yeah, looks like it fits perfectly. So the front cover will fit perfectly there. That's nice. And then the rear cover should fit also. Nice. Oh, it actually says back on it, on the back of the oh, it says back, where are we? It says back here, but I think this is the back of the cover itself, not the back of the camera. But it's just going to fit nicely just there. So that'll be fine. So there are a set of instructions for the lens covers. Step 3, step 4, step 5. Actually shows a different type of camera, but that doesn't really matter. So that'll be for that. And then actually it tells you in here, there's on the Action 5, there's a ring, a rubber ring that fits around the lens to protect the lens anyway, but according to the instructions you have to remove this lens, and then oh yeah, that just slides off, and then the new dust cover, oh yeah, just presses on. Seems to fit fine, seems to fit fairly tightly, so it shouldn't come off at all. And the kit actually comes with 2 of these. So now when I put it into my backpack to go cycling, go mountain biking, I can just pop this on and this will cover the lens while it's in my bag. It's a bit awkward with one hand to put that back on, but that would just go back on whenever you need it back. So yeah, nice, $12.99, Amazon Australia.